Mastering academic writing. Collocations for supporting arguments. Hello learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to delve into a very important topic for anyone interested in academic writing. It's called collocations for supporting arguments. Mastering these will give your writing more precision and persuasiveness, and it will also add a touch of sophistication to your academic papers. Let's get started. Before we dive into the specific collocations for supporting arguments, let's quickly recap what collocations are. They are words that frequently go together, forming a unit that sounds right to native English speakers. Examples include brush your teeth or make a decision. In academic writing, using the correct collocations can help your arguments sound more convincing and natural. In academic writing, we often use collocations to support our arguments. This is essential when you're trying to convince the reader of your viewpoint. You might need to highlight evidence, show cause and effect, or demonstrate a contrast, and the right collocations can help you do this more effectively. Let's explore some common collocations that are especially useful when supporting arguments. Provide evidence. As in, this study provides compelling evidence that draw a conclusion. For example, from the data, we can draw the conclusion that pose a question. Like in, this poses an important question about, offer an explanation. As in, this theory offers a plausible explanation for, make a comparison. For example, to make a comparison, we can look at, establish a correlation. As in, the research establishes a strong correlation between. The best way to learn these collocations is by using them in context. Here's an example. Research by Smith and Jones, 2022, provides compelling evidence that regular exercise boosts cognitive function. However, this poses a question about the nature of the relationship between these two variables. In order to draw a conclusion, we must establish a correlation between the frequency and intensity of exercise and the level of cognitive improvement. Therefore, it's important to offer an explanation for the varied results seen across different demographic groups. Mastering collocations for supporting arguments can truly elevate your academic writing. Remember, practice is the key. Try using these collocations in your next paper and you'll soon see the difference. Thanks for joining us in this session, and we hope this video will assist you in your journey to improved academic English. Until next time, happy learning!